Hello my dear student, now I start exercise 6.4 which is based on one important result of triangle is what? A triangle, the sum of length of any two sides would be greater than the length of third side. It means triangles की आपकी any two sides अगर आप टू साइड्स लेंगे तो उसका जो सम होगा उनकी लेंथ का वो ऑलवेज ग्रेटर होगा उस थर्ड साइड से. तो वी यूज दिस फॉलोइंग रिजल्ट इन एक्सरसाइज 6.4. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू हैव ए ट्राइंगल विद द फॉलोइंग साइड्स. आपको चेक करना है कि ये 3 क्वेश्चंस गिवन है, इन साइड्स को लेकर आप ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज व्हाट? Side is 2, 3 and 5. So we take any two sides and which sum is greater than, always greater than to third side. So if we take 2 and 3, so 2 plus 3 is greater than 5? No, but 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, है ना. सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. सो आपको नेक्स्ट कंडीशन आप चेक भी करेंगे. आप 2 and 5 को लेंगे तो 2 plus 5 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 3 थर्ड साइड. And if we take 3 5, so it is 3 5 is 8 which is greater than 2. But this one condition is not satisfied, so the triangle is not possible. All 3 conditions are satisfied. Okay, then triangle is possible. Now I take second is side given आपको 3 6 and 7. So first we take 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 we get 9. So 9 is greater than 7 third side. Okay, so yes. Now we take 6 and 7. So 6 plus 7 is what? 13. 13 is greater than third side is 3. So yes. Now if we take 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 21 which is greater than third side 6. So yes. So all 3 condition is satisfied. The triangle is possible. Now in third, 6, 3 and 2. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is greater than 2. Yes. Now second, we take 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 which is greater than third side 3. Yes. Now we take 3 plus 2. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is what? 5 which is greater than 6. Not 5 is not greater than 6. So condition is no. So triangle is not possible. Okay. Now question number second is take any point O in the interior of triangle PQR. Then 3 condition is satisfied. So triangle आपको PQR given and any point Q. Then we join this OR, OP and OQ. Okay. So we use this property. Property is what? Sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than to third side. Okay. So if we take this triangle, okay, PQR. So PQR it means OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So OQ is a triangle. Similarly, if we take this triangle OQP, है ना, OP and R. Okay. So OPR में आपकी क्या होगी? OQ, सॉरी ये वाली थर्ड वाला है ना. So OR plus OP is greater than RP. So third condition satisfied. If we take this triangle, okay, this, then what condition satisfy? RO plus OQ is greater than RQ. Okay, ये तो सेकेंड कंडीशन आपकी. सो यस, इट्स फॉर्म ए ट्राइंगल. ओके, आपको तीनों कंडीशंस में चेक करना है कि एनी टू साइड्स का सम आपका थर्ड साइड से ग्रेटर है. सिंपली. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट. AM is a median of triangle ABC. AM is what? Median. Median it means it break opposite side into two equal part. Okay. If AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM, consider the side of triangle AMB and triangle AMC. So first we draw the diagram. ABC is our triangle and AM is median. It means BM is equals to MC. So this triangle is break into two equal triangle. Okay. So first we take this triangle AMB. Okay. So in triangle AMB what? AB plus BM. I take what? AB plus BM. So इन दोनों का सम इस थर्ड साइड क्या है आपकी? AM. So इससे ग्रेटर होगा तो AB plus BM is greater than AM. So we can, this is our equation first. Now I take triangle AMC. What? AMC. So here, what? This side AC plus MC is greater than AM. So this is our equation second. Now we add equation 1 and second. We know that LHS is adding in LHS and RHS is adding in RHS. So what equation 1 का LHS क्या है आपका AB plus BM and equation second का LHS क्या है AC plus MC is greater than AM plus AM. We add equation 1 and 2. So AB plus AC, okay. AB plus AC and BM plus MC को मैंने साथ में लिख दिया, okay. BM plus MC को, because AB plus AC and BM plus MC को मैं लिख सकता हूँ आपका डायरेक्ट क्या BC, okay. So AB plus AC plus BC is greater than 2AM. So it is, this condition is true, okay. Now question number 4 is ABC is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD? आपको चेक करना है कि ABC आपको quadrilateral given है, then this condition is satisfied or not. So here ABCD is our quadrilateral, okay, and AC and BD is its diagonal. So we know that the sum of length of any two sides of triangle should be greater than the length of third side. In full complete exercise of 6.4 we use this for result, okay. So now here it is four triangle, okay, first, second, third and fourth, okay. So in first I take triangle ABC, okay. Which triangle I take? A, B and C. This triangle A, B and C. Now in triangle what I do sum of two sides. It means AB plus BC, which is greater than AC, okay. Now I take triangle ADC. What? AD and C. So here AD plus DC is greater than again AC. So it is equation second. Now I take third triangle is what? I take third triangle DCB, this triangle D, C and B. So here BC plus CD is greater than DB. So it is our equation third. Now fourth I take triangle ADB. So here AD plus AB is greater than DB. Okay. आपको जो RHS में प्रूव करना है, अपन ने 2 times AC को RHS में रखा और 2 times आपने DB को RHS में रखा. Now we adding this 4 equation. So we adding equation 1, 2, 3rd and 4th. So LHS में आपको LHS ऐड करना है, RHS में आपको RHS ऐड करना है. So AB plus BC, second से AD plus DC, third से DC plus CB and fourth से आपने AD plus AB. And in RHS AC plus AC plus DB plus DB, okay. So here all value is 2 times, okay. So we can write in this form AB and AB. So we write in first here BC and BC. CB and BC are same, okay. So BC and BC, AD and AD. Now fourth is DC and DC, okay. Here AC and AC 2AC and DB and DB is 2DB. So here AB plus AB 2AB, BC and BC 2BC, AD and AD 2AD and DC and DC 2DC. Here we common 2. सो आपने 2 बाहर ले लिया तो ब्रैकेट में आपका AC प्लस DB रिमेनिंग बचा. नाउ हियर ऑल्सो 2 इज कॉमन इन ऑल दिस टर्म, सो वी टेक एस 2 एस कॉमन. सो 2 एंड द ब्रैकेट AB प्लस BC प्लस AC प्लस DC इज ग्रेटर देन 2 AC प्लस DB. नाउ हियर वी कैंसल आउट 2 to 2, so we get this result. So AB plus BC, now we replace this, we arrange in what we prove. So CD plus DA is greater than AC plus DB, then hence this condition is our true, okay. Now question number 5 is ABCD is a quadrilateral if AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than, okay, 2AC plus BD. आपको चेक करना है कि ये कंडीशन लेस देन है क्या आपकी ये कंडीशन. तो नाउ वी यूज द फॉलोइंग रिजल्ट. सम ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ एनी टू साइड ऑफ ट्राइंगल शुड बी ग्रेटर देन द लेंथ ऑफ थर्ड साइड. सो फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ ABCD इज ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. हियर AC and BD is our diagonal. So in a fourth question, what we take? We take triangle ABC, then ADC, then we take ADB, and we take DCB. Here we do this triangle ABO, BOC, COD एंड DOA, 4 ट्राइंगल. आपको O को सेंटर लेके आप 4 ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी टेक ट्राइंगल AOB. AOB what? AB is what? Some we can write this AB is what? OB plus OA. So OB plus OA which is greater than AB, it means AB is less than OA plus OB. We can also write in this form, okay? If we write OA plus OB is greater than what? OA plus OB is greater than AB. It is true condition. It means this sum of these two sides is greater than AB. It means AB is what? Less than this. So we write in this form, okay? Similarly, I take triangle BOC. In BOC is what? BC is less than OC and OB, okay? So it is our equation second. Similarly, in third triangle COD, what? OC plus OD is greater than CD. So we can write CD is less than OC plus OD. It is our equation third. Now in triangle DOA, what? DA is what? Less than DO plus OA. We आपको ऐसा ही लिख रहे हैं कि DO plus OD is greater than DA, okay? It means DA is less than this. So this is our equation first, second, third and fourth. We add all these equation. So we add LHS to LHS and RHS to RHS. So LHS is same, and here OA is 2 times. So OA and OA 2 OA, OB and OB 2 OB, OC and OC 2 OC, and OD and OD 2 OD. So what? 2 as we take 2 as a common. So 2 common, and OA and OC, because OA and OC is what? AC. We can write OA plus OC is what? AC. Similarly, DO and OD is what? DB, okay? So this condition is satisfied. So hence it is proved. Now last question of our exercise is the length of two sides of triangle is 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should be length of the third side fall? आपको चेक करना है कि थर्ड साइड की लेंथ कहाँ पर मेजर करेगी, ओके? कितना लेस होगी और कहाँ ग्रेटर होगी, ओके? तो we know that the sum of length of any two triangle should be greater than the length of third sides, okay? So here it is given that side of two triangles are 15 and 25. What? 12 and 15, okay? 12 and 15. So if we take the sum, so sum 12 plus 15, what we get? 27. Also, if we find the difference of 15 and 12, so we get 3. So also the third side cannot be less than the difference of two sides, okay? It means two results we gain. First, what is sum of two sides of triangle is always greater than the third side, and the difference of any two sides can't be less than the third side. So the third side could be length more than third. 3 से तो always greater होगी, and highest कितनी आपकी 27 से क्या होगी? Less than. जो it means आपकी जो third side का measure है वो 3 greater than 3 and less than 23. Between 3 and 27 value of our third side we find. Okay, thank you.